Okay, it's been about 6 months since I flew the drone over the winter time, and now I'm back in the backyard trying it out again. I was out there at least 10 minutes and I had 0 accidents, so I'm getting a little bit better here. I'm just running it in reverse where the camera is facing me, which is now hard to. Everything in the controls is reversed. Now I'm just going up higher and spinning it around. Now it's pointing the way. It's easier to control. And there's my deer corn feeder. I flipped it around and I'm looking at the shed. So I'm trying to keep these videos right at around a minute. There I am down on the ground again with the camera facing.